All right, we got a fun one here to work with. So obviously this brick has some crazy warm texture throughout. That we brought 5 sample boards by, so at this point in the sampling process, we probably brought 1 or 2 bricks to start off, and we weren't getting any matches. Let's take a look at each individual brick. First brick, absolutely not. Second brick, we'll put this guy aside here and mark it as board number 2. So note of that. This will be number 2. We'll move this guy up. I'll get into why I'm leaving this up here in a second. So that'll be 3. And, ooh, I like this guy. Give it a 4. And we'll go to the last one. Throw you right there. 5. Okay, so again, the first one here, way too light for this wall. The reason it was grabbed in the first place is you have in the original brick some of these lighter tones, some of the tans, so we grabbed a tan brick. Obviously it didn't work out. Number 2 here, at this point why I'm pausing is we have basically the 4 best bricks that we could possibly find at this point to match a crazy brick. So you have to work with what you got at times. This brick, I'm seeing better options on the board right now. I do like this individual brick, but that's on this board, that's 2 out of the 8 bricks. So is it worth our time playing around with this brick sample board? We're gonna go with no. Apologies for the mess on the screen. Third brick. Third brick's interesting because you do have some texture to it. Is it perfect? No. The color's obviously way off. We grabbed tans thinking this brick is tan. It's actually like more of a yellow. So that's where we're getting thrown off here a bit. So I'm gonna say no to this guy. If this was my house, I wouldn't want it. Number 4 now. I want to see number 4 in different parts of the wall. I'm looking at these last 2 bricks, and these are probably the best 2 bricks out of the situation. Okay, I'll leave him here, and then 5. I just, if this is, you have the blacks, the oranges, kind of, where you see the oranges on the actual brick of the house, it's actually the base color of the brick. Zoom in there, so boom, right there. That's where I'm seeing the orange, and you have that same base color on number 5 here. But the texture on number 5 is way too wild. You hate to settle, but the recommendation from a professional standpoint would be 4. As likely you're not going to find a better option. If I'm replacing bricks, I would be happy to use number 4. If we're rebuilding sections of the wall, the reality of the situation is you're probably not going to find a better brick. It seems like we've exhausted our options here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sample boards. You're not going to find a better brick probably, so there is a situation where you're going to have to settle with number 4 for your brick.